This is Code.org. I'm working on their CS Principles course. I'm on Unit 5, Building Apps, Lesson 5, Building an App Clicker Game, Puzzle 20, Bug Smash. The counter app has a bug. Oh no. See the bug? Click up arrow or down arrow trying to get the game over screen. Ah. Oh, it should be impossible. I bet we're subtracting or adding too much. We are. So there's a few things we can do. We're subtracting by 3 for clicking down and adding by 3. So we can certainly just change that to 1, and maybe that's what it wants. We could also change the sign of equals into a less than sign. Oh, it doesn't give us, so we'll just say it wants us to do this. All right, there's probably another bug. There might be something going on here. Sets text to 0. Yep. So it would have always been 0 when we started. We want to set the text to be equal to count after we set count equal to 0. Different things. And that is looking like victory. Awesome. Let's keep going.